So I'm just going to show you the video on the vehicle settings, which you get a lot of questions on the Kadjar, so I'm just going to go into this a little bit more information here. So you have a vehicle settings information. I'm just going to go down here and show you what's in here. We do have it on the YouTube channel, but it's not clear, it's not precise because you can't really read it. So I'll just show you exactly what's on here and then you can read it yourself. Radar sound. Computer information, vehicle settings. Okay, let's go to there. Now these settings are style 3 and style 4 HB and DNF series on our website. Just note that, because style 1 and 2 are different menus. Have I been in that? I think I've just been in that one, haven't I? So that one there. Okay, so that's the full extent menu there anyway.